Now you can completely forget where you are. Feel time slow down for you. Minutes stretch on. Thoughts become sparser. Your breath is still with you. It enters silently. It leaves silently. The Milky Way galaxy is not just a cluster of stars. It is the result of billions of years of movement. Dust, gas, gravity, all have slowly come together. A large part of our galaxy is invisible to the naked eye. The stars you see are only the surface. Deep down, there is much more. Although the stars appear to be randomly scattered, each one actually moves in specific orbits. These movements are in harmony with the overall rotation of the galaxy. None of them rush. None of them stop. Some stars are very young. They are newly born. Surrounding them are still the gas clouds that gave birth to them. These clouds are called nebulae. Nebulae are like the birthing chambers of the universe, cold, dark, and silent, but within them, a slow preparation is underway. Over time, matter condenses within these clouds. Gravity increases, and at some point, a new star is born. This birth is silent, but its effect lasts for millions of years. Some nebulae emit light, some absorb light, and some reflect the light of stars in soft colors. Purple, blue, red, these colors are calming for a mind about to fall asleep. The spiral arms of the Milky Way are filled with these birthing regions. New stars often emerge in these arms. These arms are the most vibrant regions of the galaxy. Our sun, too, was once born in such a region, billions of years ago, from within a gas cloud. Today, it is a calm star, balanced, stable, and thanks to this, life is possible. Most stars in the galaxy are not like the sun. Some are much larger, much brighter, but their lifespans are short. Large stars live fast. They are depleted quickly, and in the end, they disappear spectacularly. This disappearance is called a supernova. When a supernova explodes, a large amount of energy is released into its surroundings. New elements are formed, and these elements become the building blocks of future stars and planets. Some of the atoms in your body came from such an explosion. You don't need to dwell on this thought. Just let it pass. Some stars are very small and quiet. They burn slowly, and they can live for trillions of years. They are like the patient guardians of the universe. As we move towards the center of the Milky Way, the density of stars increases. The distance between them decreases. But despite this, collisions are extremely rare. Space is still very vast. The black hole at the center silently exists, doesn't swallow, it doesn't chase, it's just there. The stars around it revolve around it. These revolutions give us information about the mass of the galaxy. But this information isn't important to you. What's important is the current tranquility. In the outer parts of the Milky Way, the light is weaker, the movement is slower. These are the quietest regions of deep space. The galactic halo is the center of this silence. There are very few stars here, but dark matter is dense. You can't see dark matter, but it holds the galaxy together, just like sleep holds your mind together. The Milky Way is slowly approaching the Andromeda Galaxy. This approach will take billions of years. For today, for tomorrow, even for human history, it has no meaning. The universe's timescale is very different from your time. Feeling this difference can be comforting, because nothing is urgent. Now notice your breath again. Your chest is slowly rising and falling. Your mind is slowly wandering, like stars. The thought comes, then disappears. You don't need to hold on. There are countless planets in the Milky Way. Some are hot, some are cold, some are perhaps covered in silent oceans. But you don't have to think about those possibilities. Right now, you are simply resting inside one of the greatest structures in the universe. Safe. Time works in your favor here. Every second, it carries you a little deeper into sleep. The starlight is fading. Your mind is slowing down. Your body is getting heavier. Do nothing now. Just be. Slowly close your eyes and follow your breath. Each breath takes you a little deeper. Now we are embarking on a slow journey through the Milky Way. Stars shine in different ways. Some are blue, some are yellow, some are reddish. Their colors tell us about their temperature. Blue stars are the hottest. Red stars are cooler. Large stars are the brightest points in the galaxy, but their lifespans are short. They live fast and disappear spectacularly. This extinction is called a supernova explosion. During the explosion, intense energy is released into the surroundings. New elements are formed, and these elements become the building blocks for future stars and planets. Just feel it without thinking. These explosions happened billions of years ago, but their effects are still felt. Some stars, however, are very small and quiet. They are called red dwarfs. They can live for trillions of years. They are like the patient guardians of the universe. The spiral arms of the Milky Way are filled with these newly born stars. Star-forming regions shimmer among clouds of gas and dust. These clouds slowly condense. Gravity brings matter together, and one day a new star is born. There are countless such birth regions in the Milky Way. Some are silent, some radiate light, but they all conform to the rhythm of the universe. If thoughts come, just observe and let go. You don't need to interfere with anything. As you approach the center of the galaxy, the stars become denser. The black hole at the center, Sagittarius A*, silently exists. Its gravity slowly moves the stars around it. But don't worry, this distance is safe for you. All you have to do here is breathe. As you travel along the spiral arms, stars accompany you. Their gentle light slowly envelopes your mind. Nebulae are the silent chambers where stars are born. They emit purple, blue, and red light. This light calms the mind like a sleep meditation. Different regions of the galaxy rotate at different speeds. The stars in the center move faster. The stars in the outer arms move slower. This harmony maintains the balance of the galaxy. Everything is calm. Everything is orderly, just like your breath. Old stars carry the history of the galaxy. They are silent witnesses preserving the galaxy's past. Some have been there for billions of years. Globular clusters are areas where these ancient stars are gathered. They are densely grouped in a circular shape. They are the ancient wisdom of the galaxy. Take a deeper breath and let it out. You are floating in the Milky Way. Feel time slowing down. Different arms of the galaxy contain different types of stars. Some are solitary. Some form groups together. Some are born while others complete their lives. All these processes are silent, but their effects are profound. You can feel them in your body, in your mind. Now imagine, you are slowly floating through the galaxy. The lights of the nebulae glow softly. Every point of light gives you peace. Supernovae are exploding far away. Their energy spreads to different regions of the galaxy. But for you, it is simply a source of peace. Every star, every cloud, every particle of gas moves in harmony with one another. None is in a hurry. None stops. This balance balances you too, calms your mind, relaxes your body. In the center of the Milky Way, you can perceive the density of stars, but the movements here are slow and rhythmic. There is no chaos. As you move towards the outer arms, the distance between stars and planets increases. Silence reigns again. Your body becomes heavy. Your mind slows down. Dark matter, though invisible, holds the galaxy together, just as sleep holds the mind together. And now just be. Think of nothing. Go nowhere. Just float in the Milky Way. Take a deep breath and let it out. Each breath makes you a little deeper. The lights are fading. The stars are receding. Your mind is slowly drifting off to sleep. The Milky Way galaxy began billions of years ago as a tiny cloud of gas and dust. This cloud slowly coalesced, and the first stars were born. Over time, these stars formed clusters, and the basic structure of the galaxy emerged. At the center of our galaxy, old stars stand together. They are the oldest inhabitants of the Milky Way. These stars seem to have silently watched the galaxy for billions of years. The spiral arms are the younger regions of the galaxy. Here, gas clouds move, condense, and new stars are born. Sometimes these stars shine with bright blue light. Sometimes they emit a reddish warmth. The Milky Way is not made up solely of stars. There is gas and dust between them, these slowly drifting substances creating the rhythm of the galaxy. Every cloud carries a story. Every star is part of a journey. At the center of the galaxy is a giant black hole. Its name is Sagittarius A*, but it just sits there, the stars around it rotating in harmony. It silently and impressively keeps the galaxy in balance. In the outer arms, the stars are sparser. There, the quiet and calm regions of the galaxy are found. Old stars, red dwarfs, slowly moving star clusters. All these make up the balanced structure of the galaxy. Globular clusters hold together the galaxy's oldest stars. Some contain hundreds of thousands of stars. They are silent witnesses to the Milky Way's past. The Milky Way slowly approaches the Andromeda Galaxy. This merger will take billions of years. But for now, it's enough to simply feel this information. There's no rush, just consider the galaxy's natural rhythm. Stars, long-lived red dwarfs or short-lived bright giants, they all move in an orderly fashion in different regions of the galaxy. This order tells the story of how the Milky Way has been shaped over billions of years. Gas clouds slowly condense. New stars are born. Some are very bright, some are slow and calm. They all exist in harmony with the galaxy's rhythm. The Milky Way's barred structure extends from the center to the outer arms. This bar helps the stars and gas to flow slowly. Every movement contributes to the balanced flow of the galaxy. Each region is different. The center is dense and fast-moving. The outer arms are calm and expansive. The halo is filled with very old stars and dark matter. The Milky Way is constantly changing, but this change occurs with an extremely smooth and calm rhythm. Every star, every cloud, and every globular cluster is part of this rhythm. In the future, stars will die and new stars will be born. The structure of the galaxy will gradually change shape. But every change does not harm the integrity of the galaxy. On the contrary, it enriches it even more. Within this flow, every structure within the galaxy is interconnected. Nothing exists in a vacuum. Every movement, every light has a cause. The Milky Way has existed silently for billions of years. and this silence continues harmoniously with all the stars and clouds living within it. Stars are born, age, and die. Clouds condense, move, and create new life. This cycle has continued for billions of years and forms the rhythm of the galaxy. Every corner of the Milky Way is filled with stars of different ages and characteristics. This diversity demonstrates the beauty and richness of the galaxy. This smooth transition from the center outwards makes the galaxy unique. The invisible part of the Milky Way consists of the hidden forces that hold the galaxy together. This is called dark matter. It emits no light and is invisible, but its existence is understood by observing the movements of the stars. Think of dark matter as a halo surrounding the galaxy. This halo causes the stars to move slowly and steadily. Each star is slightly under the gravitational pull of this invisible structure. Stars and gas clouds rising from the galaxy's disk interact with the halo. Some stars follow different orbits along the halo from the outer arms. These orbits help maintain the shape of the galaxy. The halo region contains very old stars. They move at a lower density than the center. Some form their own groups and orbit in long-term orbits. In some regions of the galaxy, stars are called populations. Population 1 stars are young and bright. Population 2 stars are old and have a reddish color. This distinction helps to understand the age and evolution of the galaxy. Dark matter slightly influences the movement of star clusters. Its effect is more pronounced in the outer regions of the galaxy. In the outer arms, stars move faster than expected. The reason for this movement is unseen mass. The spiral arms of the Milky Way are not only filled with stars. Clouds and young stars are in a constant flow. This flow ensures the regulation of energy within the galaxy. In regions near the galaxy's center, stars move in a dense but harmonious manner. Here, orbits appear parallel to each other. This order ensures the galaxy's stability over long periods. Some stars follow unusual orbits between the halo and the disk. These stars are quiet travelers remaining from the galaxy's early days. They carry traces of past collisions and the galaxy's evolution. The Milky Way is not just stars and gas. Star clusters and open clusters also complete the galaxy's rhythm. Some clusters contain thousands of stars. Others are much smaller and elegantly dispersed. Interactions between stars, dark matter, and gas clouds constantly and subtly alter the galaxy's structure. The slight ripples in the disk slowly reshape the curves of the spiral arms. This process continues for billions of years. Small gas clouds drift through the halo and are transported to different regions of the galaxy. Some contribute to the formation of new stars in the arms further from the center. This slow flow ensures the continuous renewal of the galaxy. The balanced movement between the stars, halo, disk, and spiral arms keeps the Milky Way stable. No movement is random. Every star and gas cloud contributes to the galaxy's harmonious rhythm. Giant stars located in different regions of the galaxy, along with their own small orbits, support the overall structure of the galaxy. These giant stars ensure the galaxy remains stable by radiating energy into their surroundings. Dark matter increases its influence towards the outer parts of the galaxy. It causes stars in the outer arms to move faster than expected. This allows the galaxy to remain stable against collisions or external impacts. The unseen structure of the Milky Way makes it possible for the galaxy to remain stable for billions of years. The disk, halo, and spiral arms move in silent harmony on this invisible foundation. This gentle interaction between stars and clouds forms the galaxy's lifelines. Every movement has a reason, and every light is part of the galaxy's rhythm. Every corner of the Milky Way carries a story. Stars, gas clouds, and silent voids all coexist in harmony. Across the disk, stars drift slowly. Some are noticeable with their bright blue light. Others glow softly with a reddish warmth. Each one sets the rhythm of the galaxy. The curves of the spiral arms extend slowly outwards. They are like the path not only of stars, but also of clouds and small star clusters. They move in waves, but there is no chaos. The stars closer to the center of the galaxy are more tightly bound together. The movement here is regular, like a smooth choreography. No star disturbs another. Each one moves slowly along its own path. In the outer parts of the disk, the stars are sparser. A slow rhythm prevails here. The old stars along the halo silently tell the history of the galaxy. Each one is there with the memories it has accumulated over billions of years. Globular clusters are the ancient inhabitants of the galaxy. They move slowly in dense collections of stars. Their regular rhythm contributes to the overall harmony of the galaxy. Clouds and gas gently drift along the spiral arms. Sometimes they move with a slow curve, sometimes like a cloud wave. Their flow nourishes the life of the galaxy. The barred structure of the Milky Way maintains the balance between its center and outer arms. The bar helps the stars and gas to flow gently. This flow keeps the galaxy constantly fresh and balanced. Dark matter is invisible, but its effect is felt. It maintains the shape of the disk and arms. It gently directs the movement of stars in the outer arms. This allows the galaxy to remain stable for a long time. The proximity and distance of stars create the silent melody of the galaxy. No movement is hasty. They are all in harmony, respecting each other. Each region has a different color and tone of light. The center shines with intense, golden light. The disk has soft white and blue tones. The halo appears as a pale and calm sky blue. Every part of the galaxy has slowly formed over billions of years. Nowhere experiences sudden changes. Every star and cloud exists in a gentle rhythm. In the outer arms, small star clusters and gas clouds gently drift. Sometimes new stars are born. Sometimes old stars subtly change their brightness. This natural movement makes the galaxy vibrant and balanced. The unseen details of the Milky Way, though not visible to the eye, are felt. Dark matter subtly shapes the path of stars. This maintains the integrity and harmony of the galaxy. Every light, every cloud, and every star is part of the galaxy's rhythm. No detail is insignificant. Each exists slowly and systematically. The Milky Way has existed silently for billions of years. The disk, the spiral arms, the halo, and the center, they all move in harmony, interconnected. Stars are born, move, and change over time. Clouds continue their flow. The structure of the galaxy remains balanced thanks to this slow and calm flow. Each part of the Milky Way moves at different ages and different rhythms, but all rhythms are in harmony with each other. They all contribute to the galaxy as a whole. This vast galaxy has a quiet, calm, and harmonious structure. Every movement is part of a gentle flow, and this flow has continued for billions of years. The Milky Way is not just made up of its own stars and gas clouds. Many small satellite galaxies surround it. These are tiny, delicate clusters of stars that gently glide around our galaxy. These small galaxies sometimes approach the arms of the Milky Way. Some stars and gas clouds are slightly affected, but everything happens in a calm and harmonious rhythm. One of the best-known satellite galaxies is the Large Magellanic Cloud. It is filled with faintly glowing star clusters. It follows a slow orbit around our galaxy. Small galaxies gently dance with the Milky Way's gravitational field. When some approach, the shape of the spiral arms changes slightly. But nothing is in a hurry. All these movements occur slowly over billions of years. As the Milky Way moves toward Andromeda, these small galaxies also harmoniously continue on their way. Some star clusters are gently moved from distant distances toward the disk of our galaxy. This shows that the galaxy is in constant change. The long-term evolution of the galaxy is a slow and graceful process. The disk, halo, and spiral arms are in harmony with each other. The approach and departure of smaller galaxies have a slight effect on the balance of the galaxy. The stars of the Milky Way move slowly along the arms. Some are very old, some are quite young. They all move in a rhythm, in harmony with each other. Different regions of the galaxy move at different speeds and densities. The stars in the center are more frequent and faster. The stars in the outer arms move at a calm slowness. The presence of smaller galaxies diversifies the structure of the Milky Way. Slight waves and swirls form along the disk. Sometimes they contribute to the birth of new stars. Sometimes they slightly alter the movements of older stars. These harmonious interactions of the galaxy have continued for billions of years. Every star, every gas cloud, and every small galaxy has found its place in the galaxy as a whole. The slow approach of Andromeda is also part of this harmony. Billions of years from now, the galaxies may merge. But for now, each moves at its own rhythm, and the graceful process of evolution continues. The structure of the Milky Way, along with all the smaller galaxies and stars around it, forms a harmonious network. No movement is random. Every star, every cloud, and every small galaxy is part of the galaxy's rhythm. As time passes, the galaxy's structure slowly changes. The disk curves slightly, the spiral arms take on new shapes. Smaller galaxies slowly approach and move away. Everything happens in a gentle flow of billions of years. The Milky Way is not just a galaxy, it is part of a calm and balanced dance of the universe. Stars, gas clouds, and small galaxies all exist in harmony. This harmony maintains the integrity of the galaxy and lasts for billions of years. Nothing rushes. Every movement is part of the galaxy's natural rhythm. The future of the Milky Way will slowly take shape over billions of years. Its progress toward the Andromeda Galaxy is like a graceful dance between galaxies. Nothing rushes. Each step is slow and orderly. As galaxies approach merger, the spiral arms curve gently. Some stars gain new orbits. Some find their place in different regions due to the effects of the merger. But all these movements do not disrupt the galaxy as a whole. On the contrary, they create a new order. During the merger, the gas clouds slowly compress. New stars are born, and some gently align with very old stars. The structure of the disk changes, but the galaxy as a whole remains in equilibrium. This process will continue for millions of years. As galaxies approach each other, stars gently orbit one another. Smaller galaxies are gently affected by this movement, slowly settling into their new orbits. After the merger, the galaxy transforms into a large and expansive structure. The spiral arms may take on different shapes. Some stars move from the center to the more distant arms. But every star, every cloud, and every cluster maintains the galaxy's rhythm. New stars are born from the gas and dust clouds formed during the merger. Some become very bright and impressive, while others shine with a slow and graceful light. They all play a harmonious role in the galaxy as a whole. The halo region continues to surround the galaxy after the merger. Old stars and dark matter form the foundation of the new order. The disk and spiral arms move gently on this invisible foundation. This merger is a turning point in the galaxy's evolution. But every movement is calm and balanced. No star, no cloud rushes. Everything is part of a flow that has lasted billions of years. After the merger, the Milky Way and Andromeda become a single large galaxy. A new galactic structure forms. The disk and its arms slowly balance out, and the stars and clouds find their place in harmony. This new galaxy carries the past of the old Milky Way. Every old star is part of the new order, and all these movements are a reflection of the calm and graceful rhythm of the universe. The long-term evolution of the galaxy continues slowly over billions of years. The disk curves gently, the spiral arms take on new shapes. Small galaxies interact gently and contribute to the integrity of the galaxy. Stars are born, move, and change over time. Clouds continue their flow. The structure of the galaxy remains balanced thanks to this gentle and calm flow. When the Milky Way and Andromeda merge, the galaxies will not only come together. A new harmony, a new balance will emerge. And all this process will continue quietly and gracefully for billions of years. Even when galaxies merge, each star slowly finds its own way. Each cloud moves in its own flow. Every movement is part of the long and calm rhythm of the universe. The future of the Milky Way is taking shape as an expanding, changing, but balanced galaxy. Every detail, every light, and every movement is in harmony. Nothing is random. Everything is part of a calm order. In every corner of the Milky Way, there are tiny details invisible to the naked eye. Sometimes these details manifest themselves as rare types of stars. Some are much brighter than other stars. Others are there silently with a faint light. Some stars live only a few million years. Although large and hot, their lifespans are short and they shine intensely. These stars are rarely seen in certain regions of the galaxy, but their presence contributes to the diversity of the galaxy. On the other hand, there are very long-lived red dwarfs. They shine slowly and patiently for billions of years. They travel through the far reaches of the disk, almost unchanged. The Milky Way contains special clouds. These are gas clouds that subtly reflect light. Some emit a purplish light, others a bluish one. They move silently, gliding along the spiral arms. Dense regions within the clouds are areas where new stars are born. But sometimes, these regions only shine for a short time and then become quiet again. These temporary light displays are one of the galaxy's little mysteries. Sometimes stars move in orbits very close to each other. These stars subtly exert each other's gravitational influence. But there is no chaos. All movements are smooth and balanced. Rare white dwarfs are the quiet, old inhabitants of the galaxy. With their small and faint light, they slowly glide along the disk. They were once large stars and now lead a peaceful life. Some stars approach the center of the galaxy and have brief interactions with the dense star clusters there. These interactions don't alter the overall rhythm of the galaxy. They only provide a slight harmony and maintain the integrity of the galaxy. In the far reaches of the Milky Way, there are unseen clouds. They move along with dark matter and gently shape the paths of stars. Nothing is random, everything is part of an order. In some regions, star clusters shift slightly and form new combinations. This change has occurred countless times in the galaxy's billions of years of history, but it has always been in a calm and orderly flow. The galaxy's rare stars and unique clouds enhance the beauty of the Milky Way. Each star and cloud represents a different aspect of the galaxy, and all these small details are harmoniously integrated into the galaxy as a whole. Every point of light, every faint star, and every cloud is part of the galaxy's calm rhythm. Nothing rushes, everything is harmonious and balanced. The mysterious regions of the Milky Way constantly change with slow and gentle movements. Stars are born, shine, move, and eventually calm down. Clouds drift, gracefully curving along the spiral arms. This calm rhythm of the galaxy has been preserved for billions of years. Rare stars and special clouds are small but precious parts of this rhythm. They are all in harmony with each other, making the galaxy unique. People have gazed at the sky for centuries. The faint light of the Milky Way accompanied them on dark nights. Distant stars floated across the sky like guides. The first telescopes allowed us to see stars and clouds more clearly. But the vastness and depth of the Milky Way still remain a mystery. Every glance reveals a new detail, but nothing is in a hurry. Astronomers have slowly observed the movements of the stars. Some stars gently draw closer, others move further away. These movements help us understand the calm rhythm of the galaxy. Even with small telescopes, distant star clusters can be discerned. Some glow with a faint light, others flicker gently. These plays of light reflect the galaxy's quiet melody. Radio waves and other modern measurements help us reveal unseen regions. Dark matter and distant clouds are subtly felt but not directly seen. Each measurement offers a clue to the galaxy's elegant rhythm. As human observations have accumulated over centuries, they have allowed us to better understand the galaxy. But the Milky Way still manages to remain hidden. Each new discovery reveals a little more of the galaxy's calm and balanced nature. Planets and stars are subtly observed through telescopes. Some are bright and vibrant, others faint and calm. All are in harmony with the galaxy's rhythm. The light and radiation waves used to measure the Milky Way slowly reveal the galaxy's inner structure. The curves of the disk, the length of the spiral arms, and the halo regions are gently mapped. Each new observation increases our knowledge without disrupting the calm flow of the galaxy. No movement is sudden. Every piece of information helps us understand the galaxy slowly and gracefully. Exploring the Milky Way is not only a technical process but also a serene journey. Watching the light of the stars, following the movement of clouds, and observing the galaxy as a whole is a peaceful experience. Every measurement and discovery helps us understand a part of the galaxy's rhythm. No information rushes. It all emerges slowly and steadily. This calm exploration of the Milky Way allows people to feel the vastness and grace of the galaxy. Every star, every cloud, and every point of light is part of the galaxy's harmonious and balanced nature. Observing the galaxy is like watching a silent flow that has lasted millions of years. Every detail falls into place with a soft movement, and every observation opens a small window into this silent flow. The exploration of the Milky Way is not only about information, but also about peace and awe. Every glance evokes the calm and graceful rhythm of the galaxy, and this rhythm continues for billions of years. Every corner of the Milky Way is filled with stars of different colors and sizes. Some emit a soft white light, others have a slightly blue glow. Each light flows harmoniously to the calm rhythm of the galaxy. Red dwarfs shine slowly and patiently. They glide silently in the distant regions of the galaxy. For billions of years, they offer a calm and continuous light. Large and hot stars shine with a short but intense flash. In certain regions of the disk, their gently flickering light enriches the silent melody of the galaxy. In the spiral arms of the Milky Way, the colors of the stars show a smooth transition. They flow gently, from shades of blue to white, and from white to a yellowish hue. These colors form the visual rhythm of the galaxy, creating an invisible harmony. Some stars twinkle slightly. This twinkling is caused by their interactions with the gas clouds they are in and with neighboring stars. But no twinkling is disturbing. It is all calm and graceful. Giant stars near the center of the galaxy shine with a golden yellow light. They create a quiet rhythm in the heart of the galaxy. Other stars moving along the disk glide in harmony with this rhythm. In some regions, star clusters shine together. These clusters are observed as groups of gently glowing points. Each cluster contributes to the smooth and balanced flow of the galaxy. The color tones of the stars indicate that the galaxy contains stars of different ages. Young stars shine in shades of blue, while older stars shine with a reddish light. But all these tones blend together harmoniously. Clouds and gas regions gently diffuse the light of the stars, creating a soft glow. Sometimes a purplish, sometimes a faint blue shimmer fills the galaxy. These plays of light are a visual reflection of the elegant and serene rhythm of the Milky Way. In the outer reaches of the disk, small stars shimmer with their faint light. They are the quietly glowing points of the galaxy's distant regions. In these regions, time seems to flow very slowly. In globular clusters, stars glow gently together. These are the galaxy's ancient inhabitants, creating a slow and regular melody of light. Each star is a part of this serene melody. The Milky Way's plays of light, combined with the diversity of its stars, make the galaxy unique. No light is superfluous. No color is discordant. They all flow slowly in harmony. Observing the galaxy, watching the colors and lights of thousands of stars, is a quiet and peaceful experience. Every light is part of the galaxy's billions of years of rhythm. The Milky Way's variety of stars and play of light evoke the galaxy's tranquility and grace. Every color, every brightness, and every movement is part of the galaxy's harmonious rhythm. And this rhythm continues silently for billions of years. Stars in the Milky Way are not alone. They are found together in small and large communities. Some consist of hundreds, others thousands of stars. Each community is part of the galaxy's calm rhythm. Open clusters form faint and bright regions where young stars reside. They drift slowly across the disk. Their bright blue light adds a gentle movement to the galaxy's rhythm. Globular clusters are quiet communities of older stars. They are located outside the disk or along the halo. They move calmly for billions of years, telling the story of the galaxy's past. Stars interact gently with each other within their clusters. Some stars change their orbits, some drift slightly, but no movement is chaotic. All are gentle and orderly. Across the disk, stars and clouds glide together fluidly. Gas clouds ripple gently, twisting along the spiral arms. This movement reinforces the quiet and peaceful rhythm of the galaxy. Small star clusters occasionally move gently between the disk and the halo. These movements provide a soft harmony without disrupting the integrity of the galaxy. Each star gently travels along its own orbit. The light from the star clusters gently illuminates the galaxy. Some are faint, some are bright, but all the light is in harmony with the calm and balanced flow of the galaxy. In different regions of the galaxy, the density of the clusters varies. It is more frequent in the center, less frequent in the outer arms. But no difference disrupts the harmony of the galaxy. Everything is in a natural and gentle rhythm. Over time, some star clusters gently disperse. Some form new clusters. This process takes billions of years, but its tranquility is never disturbed. Throughout the halo, clusters of older stars drift slowly and peacefully. Their small, faint lights gently illuminate the distant regions of the galaxy. This calm light elegantly unites the entire galaxy. This gentle flow between stars and clouds makes the galaxy vibrant and balanced. No movement is superfluous. No light is discordant. All details flow in a slow and gentle rhythm. The star clusters of the Milky Way carry the billions of years of the galaxy's story. Each cluster is part of the galaxy's silent melody, and all this flow continues for billions of years. Observing the galaxy, watching the gentle movements of star clusters, is like feeling the calmness and grace of the galaxy. Every light and every movement is part of the galaxy's natural rhythm. The spiral arms of the Milky Way are the graceful lines of the galaxy's soft rhythm. They curve along the disk, gently carrying stars and gas clouds. Each curve creates a quiet and calm flow. Along the arms, stars glide slowly. Bright and faint lights move together. No star disturbs another. All move in their own balanced way. Gas clouds ripple within the spiral arms. Sometimes they are slowly carried towards the ends of the curves. Sometimes they gently glide from the center towards the outer arms. Each movement is calm and gentle. Star clusters within the arms harmonize with the galaxy's rhythm. Open clusters glow softly, adorning the galaxy with purplish and bluish hues. Global clusters, however, drift slowly through distant regions with a calmer and fainter light. The movements of the stars create a gentle flow along the spiral arms. Some move outwards from the center, some from the outer arms towards the center. But all these movements occur smoothly, without disrupting the harmony of the galaxy. In different regions of the disk, the curves of the spiral arms change slightly. Sometimes the arms come closer together, sometimes they separate slightly. But this change occurs without disrupting the integrity of the galaxy. Each movement is part of a calm flow that has lasted for billions of years. The gentle movements of the spiral arms also contribute to new star formation. Gas clouds and small star clusters are gently carried along the curves. Newly born stars enrich the rhythm of the galaxy, but nothing is rushed. In the outer regions of the disk, the spiral arms show a sparser and gentler flow. Older stars and fainter lights adapt to the rhythm of the arms. They all glide slowly and gracefully. The interaction between the halo and the spiral arms creates a subtle balance throughout the galaxy. Dark matter gently shapes the movement of the stars. No movement is random. All are part of a calm rhythm. The Milky Way's spiral arms make the galaxy visually elegant. Every curve, every ripple, every light and shadow is a reflection of the galaxy's serene rhythm. This harmony between the stars, clouds, and arms keeps the galaxy vibrant and balanced. No light is superfluous, no curve is discordant. All the details flow slowly and gently. Watching the Milky Way's spiral arms is like observing the galaxy's billions of years of calm flow. Every light, every star, and every cloud is part of the galaxy's natural and peaceful rhythm. The galaxy's rhythm is a melody that will endure for billions of years, and the spiral arms are the most elegant and fluid lines of this melody. At the center of the Milky Way, stars and gas clouds coexist in a dense but peaceful manner. Bright lights dance gently, but nothing is in a hurry. Each star moves along its own path with a calm rhythm. The density of the center differs from other regions of the galaxy, but this density is not chaotic. It is part of a gentle order. Stars float close together, but without disturbing each other. The center, where black holes reside, emits an invisible but palpable energy. This energy gently determines the orbits of stars and gas clouds. But no movement is abrupt. All occurs in a smooth flow. Stars rotate gently around the center, performing a slow dance. Some move faster, some slower, but all movements occur without disrupting the harmony of the galaxy. The gas clouds in the center float among the stars. Sometimes they curve gently, sometimes they approach a star. The movement of each cloud is in harmony with the quiet and peaceful rhythm of the galaxy. Star clusters experience brief interactions in the center, but these interactions occur gently and steadily. No star rushes. They all maintain their own rhythm. The gentle energy radiating from the center toward the disk and spiral arms creates a balance throughout the galaxy. Along the disk, the spiral arms and halo gently feel this energy. Every star, every cloud, adapts to this flow. The gentle dance of the stars creates a quiet melody in the heart of the galaxy. Bright stars shimmer softly, faint stars glide slowly. No light is sudden. It is all calm and balanced. The center of the galaxy has existed calmly and gracefully for billions of years. The disk, spiral arms, and halo exhibit movement in harmony with the gentle energy radiating from this center. Every star and cloud is part of the galaxy's calm rhythm. No movement is superfluous, no light is discordant. They are all part of a slow and gentle flow. This gentle energy at the center keeps the galaxy alive and balanced. The gentle dance of the stars ensures that the Milky Way maintains its quiet and peaceful rhythm, which has lasted for billions of years. Watching the galaxy is like observing this gentle dance. Every light and every movement is part of the galaxy's natural and calm rhythm. The center of the Milky Way is the heart of the galaxy and the gentle source of its rhythm. And this rhythm continues for billions of years. The Milky Way's halo region is a quiet and peaceful boundary of the galaxy. The stars here are very old and calm entities. Their faint light gently illuminates the outer edges of the galaxy. Throughout the halo, stars glide in a slow rhythm. No star rushes. They all move calmly in their orbits. This movement maintains the overall harmony of the galaxy. In the outer regions, stars are sparser. The spaces between them give a sense of the galaxy's breadth and depth. Each star glides slowly through these calm spaces, contributing to the peaceful flow of the galaxy. Globular clusters gently glide along the halo. Older stars perform a slow dance, telling a silent story of the galaxy's past. Every light carries the traces of billions of years of patience. The transition regions between the halo and the disk show a gentle flow. Some stars move gently from the disk to the halo. Some approach from the halo to the disk. But all these movements are gentle and orderly. The stars in the outer regions give a sense of the galaxy's tranquility. Their gliding makes the galaxy balanced and peaceful. No light or movement is disrupted. Everything is in harmony. Dark matter gently shapes the path of stars along the halo, but no impact is harsh. the integrity of the galaxy is preserved, and a delicate balance is maintained. Stars, gas clouds, and globular clusters move harmoniously along the halo. These regions, far from the spiral arms of the disk, present a quiet and serene rhythm. The halo and outer regions hold the galaxy's billions of years of history. Old stars, with their slow light, reflect the galaxy's history. Newly born stars rarely appear, but even when they do, they emit a calm light. These outer regions of the Milky Way form a quiet backdrop to the galaxy's calm and balanced rhythm. Every light, every movement, is part of the galaxy's natural flow, and this flow continues silently for billions of years. Watching the galaxy is like observing this gentle gliding in the halo and outer regions. The slow movement of each star evokes the peaceful and graceful rhythm of the galaxy. The Milky Way's halo region outlines the galaxy's outer boundaries with soft light, and this light glides calmly for billions of years. In the Milky Way, there are clouds of gas gently drifting between the stars. Sometimes they give off a pale white glow, sometimes a faint blue one. Each cloud is part of the calm and peaceful rhythm of the galaxy. Gas clouds move slowly along the spiral arms. They gently twist, sometimes expand, sometimes compress. But no movement is sudden. Each is gentle and orderly. These clouds contribute to the birth of new stars. Small, slowly rising stars gently spread their light within the clouds. Nothing rushes. Everything is part of a natural flow spanning billions of years. Stars glide gently among the gas clouds. Some slowly pass by each other, some slightly change their orbits. But all movements are calm, balanced, and gentle. Clouds are found in different densities in various regions of the galaxy. They are denser near the center and sparser in the outer arms. But all clouds show a gentle flow without disrupting the rhythm of the galaxy. Along the disk, gas clouds and stars gently interact with each other. These interactions maintain the balanced and peaceful flow of the galaxy. No star or cloud is unnecessarily accelerated. Some gas clouds stretch gently at the ends of the spiral arms. This stretching adds a soft movement to the galaxy's graceful rhythm. Newly formed stars shine softly in these regions, enriching the galaxy. Stars in the outer regions drift slowly along with the clouds. Their faint light completes the harmonious flow between the halo and the disk. All the stars and clouds are part of the galaxy's calm and balanced rhythm. Over time, some clouds disperse, some merge, but this process is quiet and gentle. Nothing happens suddenly. It is all part of billions of years of harmony. Watching the galaxy is like observing the flow of these gas clouds and gently moving stars. Every cloud, every star, is part of the galaxy's natural rhythm, and this rhythm continues calmly and peacefully for billions of years. These regions of the Milky Way evoke the elegance and serene flow of the galaxy. Every light, every movement, is part of the galaxy's harmonious and balanced rhythm, and this rhythm glides on in endless peace. In the Milky Way, every star shines and fades in its own time. Young stars emit a bright, energetic light that is blue. Older stars offer a calm serenity with a reddish and faint light. Stars change slowly. Their light dims slightly or its brightness increases. These changes harmonize with the galaxy's quiet and balanced rhythm. No movement is hasty. Everything happens with a calm flow. Young stars in the disk glide gently along the spiral arms. Older stars near the center move gently with the faint energy emanating from the center. Stars in the halo and outer regions retain their faint light for many years. Every light is part of the galaxy's billions of years of history. The slow flow of each star complements the peaceful and graceful rhythm of the galaxy. Nothing is superfluous. Everything flows in harmony. Gas clouds and stars gently accompany each other. Newly born stars shine softly. Older stars balance the environment with their calm light. This flow is a reflection of the galaxy's natural and peaceful order. Watching the galaxy is like embarking on a journey of billions of years. Every light and every movement is connected by a silent rhythm. Every detail finds its place harmoniously within the galaxy as a whole. All regions of the Milky Way, the disk, spiral arms, center, halo, and outer regions, form a gentle and balanced rhythm as a whole. Stars, clouds, and plays of light are like notes in the silent melody of this rhythm. And now, as we come to the end of our journey through the Milky Way, contemplate the peaceful flow of this galaxy over billions of years. Every star, every cloud, and every light is part of the calm and graceful rhythm of the galaxy. The silent melody of the Milky Way will continue for billions of years. And you, too, are completing your journey peacefully, along with the rhythm of this serene galaxy. Although the lights of the galaxy seem to fade slowly, each continues to drift in its own rhythm. The tranquility of the Milky Way continues in endless silence and grace. You can subscribe for a restful sleep. See you soon.